There's no Kevin. I'm by myself. I'm on a bird watch tour, so we're looking for birds. We are in Curi-Cancha Reserve in Monteverde, Costa Rica. We drove up here from La Fortuna yesterday, and the most beautiful drive I've seen in a long time, up way into the mountains, and we're up into the area where there are the cloud forests. So I'm trekking today, looking for some usual birds. Gonna find some good ones. And we'll see what today brings. Look at this huge tree. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is like the mother tree.
Yes.
Wow. So pretty, and it's been here forever. This tree. Wow. Oh, look at this. Inside the mother tree. Wow. Oh, we saw the male, pretty bird. It was green and red, and now we think we see the female. The male has color to attract the female, and the female is brown. I think I like this bird watching thing. That's the bellbird. The bellbird, which is a rare find. We found it today. Oh, two of them. There's three of them. Three. Oh my God, look at all of them. It's our last day in Costa Rica. Good morning. Hey. It's Kenia and there's Kevin. It's our last day, but we're getting one more adventure in. Yep. We are going to do a hike in the Los Campesinos. Los Campensinos. So, our last day in beautiful, beautiful nature. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, look down, hon. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, look at the waterfall down there. Whew. Look how far we've come. Adventure! Whoa! Ah. Whoa! Okay. Ah. Conquering my fear of the doodad bridge. It's so beautiful right here. I am so happy right now. This place definitely makes you feel at one with nature. It definitely makes you appreciate nature, you know, from the plants to the little tiny ants to the cute little monkeys to the big scary crocodiles. Oh boy. I mean, we've seen it all on this trip. And I learned my own lesson because Costa Rica was not at the top of my list in terms of a country to visit. I came here by accident. And oh boy, did I fall in love with this country. I don't want to go home. It's our last day here. And why don't I want to go home? Here's the deal. Wow. This is nature.
Yo, don't come here and don't do this, guys. I mean, listen, I am petrified of heights. I'm petrified of heights, but this is just crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Face your fears.
Because you only live once. And we don't want the opportunity to pass us by. When you see an opportunity, you have to seize it. That's the Raul lesson. So, here we go. All right, we're getting in. Oh my. Oh, okay. Alrighty. Okay. Just, it's refreshing, but you know, it takes a little getting used to. That's all. Kevin,
Huh?
how you feel, honey?
Cooler.
Huh?
Woo.